Okay, welcome back to the channel. So we are looking at the MX Master 3 and the MX Master 4. And really, this should be the other way around. But hey, who cares? I wanted to replace my MX3 because it's just got really sticky and this rubber has worn away here. I don't know whether you can see that. It's kind of like this bit in here is like incredibly sticky, and the rubber's deteriorated somewhat, so it's just not particularly pleasant to touch. And I've had this for, I guess, since it was released. I'm guessing a couple of years. This is worn almost mirror reflective on here, and in general it's taken quite a bit of a beating. This bit here, these little abrasions are from where, when it's on the desk and I have my Apple keyboard, it knocks into it, so it just damages it slightly there. USB-C, and it's very handy because you can pair it between multiple devices, and that's very easy to do. And that's exactly the same as it is on the MX4. Now, this is a far more premium style mouse. They've really refined it. And you've got this slightly texturized surface on here. Got all the same buttons, but if you listen to the click, so you can hardly hear that against the original one. Almost completely silent. Looking at them side by side, there is a difference. The MX4 does feel to be bigger, and you can see that the left and right clicks are wider, or they fill more of the space. It has pretty much the same functionality, apart from you have this menu system that you can click on here, and this has haptic feedback. I'm not going to go through that today. There's plenty of channels featuring that. But so you have your scroll wheel here, you have your standard mouse scroll wheel here, you have action buttons and everything else that can be customized. But this has been incredibly handy inside things like DaVinci Resolve. But in terms of ergonomics, there is a difference between these two, and I can't quite define it. And I'm interested to hear from you if you've bought one of these and come over from the MX3. So I think probably because I'm so used to it sitting in my hand, it feels the inside of my hand here. My hand just rests on it. My fingers fall into exactly the right place. On the MX4, I feel like there's space here and it's not filling my hand, and I kind of have to reach forward a little bit. It's not a bad thing, and again, it's something that I have to get used to. But again, looking at them side by side, wow. I think this is a little shallower. I'm not doing a very good job of comparing them, but yeah, I think the MX4 is slightly shallower, but it glides really beautifully across the desk. This one grinds a little bit, but maybe that's because it's worn so much. So if we look at the underside, we've got the differences. You do have a little glide around the optical sensor here, but you have your on-off switch and then your 3 pairing programs in there. USB-C as before, and in general it's a much more refined mouse, as you would expect. So let me know in the comments below what you think of these mice. I highly recommend it. This feels incredibly old compared to this now. Very happy with this. This is my second day with it, so I haven't properly tested it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.